Okay guys, we bought this quad and it's got that axle bearing or whatever you call it, so we're just going to kind of take it apart, show you what tools we needed to do it, and we're just going to start on it. So I guess right now what I've seen of what we need is a 5mm Allen for this hold down here, and then a 19mm wrench to loosen up these, and 12 for the tensioner for the bearing, and obviously some ratchets, 32mm for the axle nut, and pliers to get the Carter key out. So we're just gonna start doing it. My kid's over here opening up the box with the new axle and the bearing.
Yeah, people ship this thing, don't know what.
No, that's right. And just bend the Carter key over and tap it out slowly. Yeah, it'll come out eventually. You need to get the jack too. You're gonna have to jack it up. Give me a jack too, make it easier on yourself. Right?
Oh, you know what?
This we just gotta wait for him to get the jack. This we could try to loosen up this lock down. And definitely lube up some of your bolts right on where you start. Easier. So you can see what people can see what you're doing, so they kind of know. Looking up right here on this little bar. So it's 32 for the wheel, and then a half-inch extension and a half-inch ratchet to pull the bolt. And they shouldn't be super tight. So. And that's just a hammer that doesn't have metal on it. Yeah, it should be there. Don't lose it right there. Whoa. You got spacers, so don't lose those. Oh, one on the front too. They got a bigger one on the back and a smaller one on the front. Just go around the wheel, beat on it a whole bunch till it comes loose. Great idea.
Yeah.
Same as the other side, you got a bigger washer on the inside and one on the outside. So here's our problem, guys. The
Oh, hey.
thing's moving.
I think our bearings are bad.
Okay, guys, so this is where we're at here.
Camera died.
Camera died, so we made a little spot in the video and we lost it. So here's the old bearing. The crack broke. Bearing's gone. The other half of it's over there. So
Obviously,
to get it, you gotta take a piece of wood. You put the axles in there. You hit it, and you push it out. So that's pretty much that.
We didn't need this, right?
The video I watched, there was 2 nuts, so you could like
Clamp it.
loosen one and take one and then pull it off. Well, this one has a C-clip, so just so you know, you probably want to pull this first, just a little screwdriver, and you stick it in there and pop it up and out, and then that retains your other bearing, which the new axle we got did not come with that bearing. It was the type in the video I watched. So here's kind of all stuff. So we gotta put all this back on. So whoa. Oh yeah, here's the new one. It's obviously a little more upgraded. It's got a grease fitting unlike the other one. So we're just gonna start reassembling this, guys.
Oh, that's way thicker.
Yeah, it's quite a bit thicker. So grease fitting here. We're gonna take the grease gun. This is the top one. And so there is a groove, guys. So we'll go another towel. Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, we got grease coming out right here too, man.
Just put your 19 back on up here.
I got this one.
No, you're missing something, man.
Oh, That's it.
We got a washer, don't forget that, like this guy over here is trying to do.
Oh, so this one doesn't have a washer?
No, it's good. Okay.
I already had it through all the way once, man. Here, I'm gonna hold the chain up so it doesn't.
Alright, guys, just gotta tap her through. Tap her through, guys.
Solid, man.
Alright.
Got a solid
Now, guys,
axle again.
clean off your stuff before you put it back in there. That just slides in there, guys, like that. You gotta clean this all off.
I guess I'll grab some. You got one lock there?
Now we gotta put this in, guys. Put your lock thing. C-clip or circlip, whatever you call it.
Couldn't think of it.
And that way of doing it is just, okay, we're gonna try it with the hammer. There we go. Just give it a little tap.
Nice little tapper.
There you go. That's where it is. I think this is the adjuster, guys, so now you gotta hold it again, John. It sounds fun, right?
Hold what? Oh, you tighten it?
Yeah, I gotta tighten it again.
You want one of these? Where's my pry bar? Give me my pry bar. I'll take it here next to me. Never
Can
mind.
you give yourself your pry bar?
No.
All you're doing here, guys, is pushing the bearing out to the lock washer so that it holds it in place. There we go. Alright, then just lock down your Allen, guys, if this is the axle you're using. It's gonna compress. Alright, guys, so after you do all that, you just start tightening up all these just a little bit until it can still move to adjust the chain. Once these are semi-tight, you can adjust the chain. You want to bring a camera over here, bring them in here, John, let them in here so they can see what you're doing.
Yeah, since you had them a mile away.
Alright guys, see the chain's super loose. We do want it somewhat loose for the suspension to, I mean, I guess don't move too much, but it could. So, where are we going? We need the 12. Alright guys, so right here, these are 12s, guys. This is your chain tensioner. So we're just going to tighten up that. And you got two of them. As you can see, there's two of them. If they'll spin by hand, just run them into, you kind of feel happy. If you look right here, like bring them right here, John. You gotta really, so right here, guys, there's little notches. That's what you're trying to, dang, camera focus. Oh, this one comes out a little clearer, but you just got notches, so you're trying to line it up to that. If this one has a mark, it lines up with the bolt. I'm guessing that's what this little peak is here, I think. And so just want to tighten these by hand till they touch. You'll start seeing the axle move. So this one's there. So you just, oops, see the chain, guys. We're gonna go a little looser, guys. I think once we sit on it, it should.
We can always make these adjustments after we have it with the wheels on, and
But it shouldn't really kick it, so that should be that. And this one you're just trying to match up, guys. So if we went off of here, well, really, okay. That's where I'm going, guys. That should be, oh wow. Okay, so now I lined it up with that mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then all you do, guys, is lock down these nuts so that it doesn't move no more. Still good there. Now you just go back and tighten up all these. We went 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna say that's what that's all about. And that's a 1, 2. I feel like maybe, yeah, maybe we need to go just one more on this one. Yep, that's good. Right about there. That one keeps going, that's what's not cool, but it's lined up there, it's lined up there. 17 on the bottom. Okay. You can see the gap close up here, guys. That's when you know the bearing's pretty much seated. Move the camera here, it's getting closer. Bottom sealed up, but now top has, right? It looks like almost. One more good one. Oh, ow! Yep, knuckle. Probably split it open.
That was a good one.
That was a good one. All right, we're calling that good, right? Looks like it closed up. I can't see the camera. You guys seeing it? I don't know, guys. It's in there. I think it's tight. Get one more down here. All right. Axle spins. It's not dancing all over like it was before. So now it should be like, that should be good, man. I think it should be good. My finger hurts. All right, then you just put your brake back on, guys. I don't think I showed you me taking it off. I kind of got annoyed with this and was about to give up. So.
And then we found out there was a.
I just looked up a video on YouTube, like everybody does. So, and it wasn't the right axle for what I'm trying to do, because I think this is an aftermarket axle because these are longer. This guy over here, Cameron, ain't showing what we're talking about. These are longer on this axle. Whatever one we bought, the bearing worked for our axle, but the axle wasn't going to work for us. So it's just 12s here to, oh no. Okay, so this one's longer. So as you see, it's 2 12s for the brake.
Longer one on the bottom.
Longer one went on the bottom because there's this one goes on first to space the tire, which that's where I was telling you guys that other axle, we wouldn't have been able to run that, and we would have needed a different nut, and the axle did not come with a different nut. So now we got this. Like I said in the beginning, it's 32. Let's tighten it up. And we're just trying to line up one of the Carter keys. So this, I think so.
I asked if it was.
We're just gonna go. Okay, sounded good. Maybe one more to get that key to line up. One more, man.
It seems like it was almost lined up.
It's like right there. Good, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. That's it, guys.
Oh my code.
We got one to line up. I think kind of a rusty Carter pin. Normally I'd use a new one, but
we don't have a
might. But right now. All right, guys. So that's kind of where we went. So I probably have to edit a lot out of this video, but so we replaced the actual bearing with a billet one with a greasable fitting and all that. We were going to change the axle, but apparently this is a different axle because the video I looked up, there's this nut and another nut, and you break them loose, take one off, and then spin the other one off. Alright, so there's a little Carter key in here, or C-clip, that you got to pull out with this axle. So I don't know other people's axles or not, but that's where we ended up fighting it for a while. So
we figured it out.
And once we got it figured out and pulled the C-clip out, it pretty much just fell right off, guys. So just remember that. So yeah, I guess that's about it. So I guess that was it for this 03 Raptor 660R. Just figured I was gonna make a video, and then I realized it's a little bit of a pain to do this, so I tried to show you guys and leave all that in there that tells you what you need and all that. So also for this nut, the easier way once you took the C-clip out was spinning this all the way out, because then you actually have it where it's not as floppy on here. And yeah, guys, I guess that's it. And hopefully this helps somebody or something. If you guys liked the video or it helped you, that's awesome. And everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one.
Man, this one was a